Did you know that Ayam Bakar, or grilled chicken, is more than just a dish? It's a culinary experience treasured all across Southeast Asia, from bustling street stalls to family dinner tables. What if I told you that you could bring that authentic, smoky, and sweet flavor right into your own kitchen? Get ready, because I'm about to show you how to make some seriously delicious Ayam Bakar that you are gonna love. This Ayam Bakar recipe will have everyone asking for the secret. Check out my channel posts after watching this video. So grab your apron and let's get cooking. Getting the perfect Ayam Bakar can be tricky, right? It's all about finding that balance. Too sweet or lacking flavor. Other times, the chicken ends up dry and tough from the grill. And the biggest challenge of all? Getting that beautiful, slightly charred, caramelized glaze without burning the chicken to a crisp. We've all been there, right? But no worries, I've got your back. I'll walk you through each step so you can crush this dish on your first go. We're aiming for chicken that's juicy on the inside, perfectly charred on the outside, and bursting with complex, delicious flavors. So let's dive into what makes this Ayam Bakar so special. It all starts with our marinade, the heart and soul of the dish. We're using a symphony of flavors: shallots, garlic, galangal, and turmeric for that aromatic base. Then comes the sweetness from ketchup mayonnaise, a sweet soy sauce that is non-negotiable for authentic flavor, balanced with a hint of tamarind for a subtle tang. We'll mix all these ingredients into a smooth paste and let our chicken soak in it for a few hours. Overnight is even better. This is where the magic really begins, as the chicken soaks up all that incredible flavor. After marinating, we'll gently simmer the chicken in the remaining marinade and some coconut milk. This step is crucial. It not only cooks the chicken through, ensuring it's super tender, it also turns the marinade into this thick, delicious glaze we'll use for basting. It's gonna be so good. And now, for the moment we've all been waiting for, the grilling. This is where all our preparation pays off. You can use a charcoal grill for that authentic smoky aroma, but a gas grill or even a grill pan on the stove will work wonderfully. We're going to place our pre-cooked chicken on the hot grill. Listen to that sizzle? While it's grilling, we'll absolutely slather it with our thick, super tasty marinade. Trust me, it's gonna be delicious. Watch as the sugars in the glaze start to caramelize, creating those beautiful, dark charred bits that are packed with flavor. We'll keep turning and basting every few minutes. The kitchen is going to fill with the most incredible aroma, sweet, smoky, and savory. You'll see the chicken transform, getting stickier and more deeply colored with each brush of the glaze. This is it. The sight, the sound, and the smell of perfect Ayam Bakar come into life. And there you have it. A stunning, delicious Ayam Bakar, grilled to absolute perfection. Just look at that gorgeous char and the glistening glaze. The chicken is incredibly tender and juicy, and every bite is a flavor explosion. We've successfully created a dish that's a true masterpiece. If you had fun making this recipe with me, please give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to ring the bell so you won't miss out on my next cooking adventure. Don't forget to check out the ingredients and steps in my posts. Thanks for tuning in, and catch you in the next video.